Creating realistic talking
creativity
AI
with our video
avatars
editing
is now
tools.
easier with AI
Unleash
technology.
your creativity with our
In this
video
guide,
editing tools.
we'll explore Edimakor's AI avatar feature, including how to customize your avatar appearance, add AI-generated speech, and create engaging talking avatar videos. Let's take a look. To begin, open Edimakor and enter a new project. Go to AI Avatar. These feature provides multiple avatar choices and different ways to create your digital character, allowing you to choose the method that best fits your content needs. Here are 3 methods to create your avatar appearance. The first option is import a character image. Simply import a clear photo of the person or character you want to use. With a high-quality image and a visible face, Edimakor can better analyze facial features and generate a more realistic talking avatar. The second option is AI-generated avatars. With the AI Generate feature, you can create a completely new digital character based on your description. Edimakor provides 2 generation modes: generic character and real model. You can describe your ideal avatar using prompts or quickly customize details with prompt tags, including appearance, style, and character features. For a more realistic result, choose styles, such as studio photography style or urban photography style. Then generate your customized avatar. The third option is using Edimakor's built-in avatar library. You can choose from ready-made characters and quickly start creating your talking avatar content.
Today, let's live a little more intentionally.
Once your avatar is ready, you can add speech to bring it to life. Edimakor supports 3 ways to add voice. You can upload an existing audio file, record your own voice, or use the built-in AI voice feature. Simply explore the voice library, choose a voice that matches your avatar's personality. Beyond voice and appearance, you can describe the changes you want in the prompt box, such as adding more natural body movements, adjusting expressions, or creating direct eye contact with the camera. After generating, AI will combine facial expressions, movements, and synchronized speech to create a more realistic talking avatar video.
Hi, I'm David. Welcome back to my channel.
If you want to change the background, just hit the Edit button before generating. Turn on the Remove BG option to adjust the avatar's position or upload a new background. You can even enable auto subtitles to save a ton of editing time later. With Edimakor's AI avatar feature, you can easily create realistic digital presenters with AI-generated voices and natural movements.
Hi, I'm David. Welcome back to my channel.
Let's explore Edimakor and start creating your own AI avatar videos.